Hello, and welcome to Boot Camp. In this segment, we're going to be talking about subtraction and borrowing. Now, when you think of subtraction, you want to think of how many are left. This picture that you see in front of you is going to demonstrate 5 minus 2. We're going to start out with 5 little stars, and we want to take 2 of them away. The question is going to be, how many do we have left? And you can also do this on your fingers. I have 5. I'm going to put 2 of them away. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 left. This gets a bit more troublesome when you have bigger numbers. In this case, we have 65 minus 23. Much like adding, we're going to line these up on the right, going from right to left. And now, to subtract, we're also going to go from right to left. 5 take away 3, well, we just did that, that's 2. And 6 minus 2, or 6 take away 2, that's 4. Our answer here will be 42. Now, there are other ways to visualize this. When the numbers get bigger, it gets a bit more challenging. We're going to have to break in, so to speak. Let's do 31 minus 12. If we try to line it up and set it up like normal, we realize, oh shoot, we can't do 1 take away 2 things. So we're going to have to try to visualize this in a way. What you'll see is that when you try to take things away, you're going to have to break into the next group of 10 to do that. This kind of gives rise to what we call borrowing. When we have to borrow, we're going to take 1 away from the number next to where we're stuck and add 10 to that number on which we're stuck. In this problem here, we have 753 minus 491. 3 minus 1 is 2, no problem. But 5 take away 9, that's a bit more problematic. So we're going to borrow. Take 1 away from 7 and get 6, and add 10 to 5. When we do that, we're going to get 15. And now, 15 minus 9, we can do that. There are 6 left over. To finish the problem, we're going to just take the new 6 that we had and take away 4, or 2. Our answer here is 262. The last little layer of difficulty that can be thrown at you is borrowing across 0. Now, borrowing is the same thing, but we're going to have that hurdle if we can't take anything from a 0. Take a look at this example. We have 301 minus 164, and immediately we see the problem. 1 take away 4, we can't do that. So we need to borrow from the, that's a 0. We can't borrow from the 0 because 0 take away 1, we can't do that either. So think of it as we're going to borrow twice. Take 1 from the 3, turn that into a 2, turn that 0 into 0 plus 10, or 10. So now we can do 10 minus 6, or rather, more importantly, we can borrow from that 10. That 10 take away 1 turns into a 9, and our 1 where we were originally stuck turns into an 11. We can then proceed with subtraction like normal. That was our unit on subtraction and borrowing.